Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, and today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful Easter centerpiece that will look just gorgeous on your table. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is take my Bowdabra bow wire, and I'm going to take my bow wire and cut it. And I want a longer piece of bow wire because this is going to be a very thick centerpiece. So I'm going to fold it in half, lay it into the Bowdabra, and just tuck the ends underneath so they stay out of my way. Then what I'm gonna do is grab my leaves and put those in, and take these and put them in, and then we have this great bouquet. And what I'm gonna do with this bouquet is we're just gonna fold this out here. And we have kind of a mix of Hobby Lobby foliage and Dollar Tree foliage. So then the next thing I'll do, and this is from Hobby Lobby, and we'll take this and put this down in here and lay this here. So for those of you that aren't familiar with the Bowdabra, what's great about it is you can make all kinds of different projects in addition to making beautiful bows. I want to make sure I have the right side up here. And now I'm going to grab my carrots. And again, everything is from either Dollar Tree or Hobby Lobby. Lay this down in here. And a lot of times I'll go at the end of the season and buy things for next year so I can get started early. Whoops, lay that down in there. Then we have this, we have these flowers here, which we've already bent out. And for those of you that aren't familiar with Bowdabra, also we have our YouTube channel, and we do Facebook Lives every Monday. So definitely, here we go, let's take that apart there. So definitely join us on Facebook or YouTube. We do the lives on YouTube as well. And then what I'm gonna do is take these flowers here, one in there, put another one here. And now it's time to make the bow. So I'm going to take my tails and lay those in here. And we've already cut and dovetailed the tails. And then I'm going to take my other tail, because remember, this is a centerpiece. So we want everything to be even. And now we'll shape our bow. So we're just going to fold it and twist it back. So our lives are Monday at 7 p.m. Eastern, 6 p.m. Central. Oops, let me just turn this here. We're going to twist it. 6 p.m. Central, 5 p.m. Mountain, and 4 p.m. Pacific. So I would love to see you join me, and we always give away to one winner on every live. We give away a free roll of ribbon. So we'll just take that and kind of have a little tail going there. And then I have 2 more tails to put in of our yellow gingham ribbon. Put this in here and lay that down in there. And now we're going to make one more bow here. I've got everything flying all over the place. We'll just fold that in, fold it back, and twist. And so all we're doing here is just folding and twisting. So it's super simple, and it's great because there is no way you could hold all of this in your hands and do it in one step like this. But with Bowdabra, it's super easy. Fold this back. And if you want to know where we get the ribbon, definitely click on the description below, and we'll tell you everything you need to know, as well as where to purchase everything. We'll scrunch this all down here. And now the reason I tucked my wire underneath to begin with was so that I could actually find my wire at the end with all of this foliage. And we'll just pull this through, hold it down, pull it really tight while it's still in the Bowdabra. That's what I love about the Bowdabra bow wire, because as you can see, that's very thick, and this is holding everything together. So I'm just going to take this, separate my ends, and bring it around to the back, Tie it off, tie a knot, and do one more knot just for good measure. So we'll just finish fluffing, bring the carrot up here, bring this, and now you have an absolutely beautiful centerpiece. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll look forward to seeing you in our next video.